that time when I found a human tooth down on the land sea. Hey, remember that time when we decided to kiss anywhere except the mouth? Hey, remember that time when my favorite colors was pink and green? Hey, remember that month when I only ate boxes of tangerines, so cheap and juicy tangerines. Hey, remember that time when I would only read Shakespeare? Hey, remember that other time when I would only read the backs of cereal boxes? Hey, remember that time I tried to save a pigeon with a broken wing? A street cat got him by morning, and I had to bury pieces of his body in our building's playground. I thought it was gonna be sick. I thought it was gonna be sick. Hey, remember that time when I would only smoke Parliament? Hey, remember that time when I would only smoke Marlboros? Hey, remember that time when I would only smoke Camels? Hey, remember that time when I was broke? I didn't care, I just bummed from my friends. Bum 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 bum. Hey, remember that time when you did? Hey, remember that other time when you OD'd for the second time? Well, in the waiting room, I'm waiting for news of you. I hallucinated, I could read your mind, and I was on a lot of shit too, but what I saw, man, I tell you was free. This is how it works. It feels a little worse than when we drove our hearse right through that screaming crowd, while laughing up a storm until we were just bone, until it got so warm that none of us could sleep, and all the styrofoam began to melt away. We tried to find some worms to eat in the decay, but none of them were home. Inside the catacomb, a million ancient bees began to sting our knees, while we were on our knees, praying that disease would leave the ones we love and never come again. On the radio, we heard November Rain. That solo's real long, but it's a pretty song. We listened to it twice, 'cause the DJ was asleep. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. This is how it works. You're young until you're not. You love until you don't. You try until you can't. You laugh until you cry. You cry until you laugh. And everyone must breathe until their dying breath. No, this is how it works. You peer inside yourself. You take the things you like, then try to love the things you took, and then you take that love you made and stick it into someone else's heart, pumping someone else's blood, and walking arm in arm. You hope it don't get harmed, but even if it does, you just do it all again. And on the radio, you'll hear November Rain. That solo's awful long, but it's a good refrain. You'll listen to it twice, 'cause the DJ